Some tips to help your little one learn to brush their teeth is, first of all, making sure you're doing it in front of a mirror so that they can see all inside their mouth, so that they can see where the toothbrush is going, how much foam is happening inside their mouth, and so that when they're thinking about whether they've done all of the sides and that, they're just able to see what's happening in their mouth and see where their brush is going. So that's really important. Another thing that's really helpful too is trying different flavours and colours of toothpaste. So lots of our little ones find brushing their teeth really overwhelming because there's so many different sensory properties that come along with toothbrushing. So the taste of it, the smell of it, the look of it, all of those kind of things. So if we're able to adjust some of those elements that it's a little bit more comforting for them or engaging for them, it means that it won't be as tricky or it won't be as overwhelming when they're doing it. Another idea is you can change the type of toothbrush that you're using. So you can get these really nifty three-sided toothbrushes where the brushes will brush the entire tooth with just the one kind of stroke. Electric toothbrushes are also really helpful too, especially again if you have a little one who is super sensitive in their mouth. The vibrations may give their teeth and their gums a little bit more input, so they're not so sensitive and it's not so tickly or uncomfortable while they're brushing. We want to reduce as much anxiety as possible around that task. And so a really helpful tip to do that is making sure that it's always consistent and familiar and the same kind of steps each time. And then our final one as well is you can get really creative with ideas to help your child stay on task or complete it for enough time. There's lots of different timers, you could pick a cool toothbrush song, anything like that that's going to make the task have a start and a finish point that isn't so directed towards the brushing, is going to help that engagement and hopefully reduce some of those kind of avoidant withdrawal behaviours that we often commonly see with brushing teeth.